Hey guys, so it's time for the speed test comparison between the Xiaomi Mi A1 versus the beast Redmi Note 5 Pro. The Mi A1 is running on the latest Android 8.0 Oreo operating system, while the Redmi Note 5 Pro has Android 7.1.1 Nougat, which is based on MIUI 9, and the Note 5 Pro will get Android 8.1 pretty soon. So yeah, let's see which one wins this race. Alright, so first off, starting with the booting test in 3, 2 and 1. Okay, so let's see which one wins this race. And the Mi A1 is having Snapdragon 625 processor, while the Redmi Note 5 Pro has the latest Snapdragon 636, which is faster than the Snapdragon 625. Yeah, let's see which one wins this race. And there we go, the Mi A1 clearly wins here guys, thanks to the latest Android 8.0 Oreo operating system. Alright, so there are no applications running in the background. Also, both of the smartphones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, so there is no difference at all. And both of them are having only the applications which will be used for testing, so no bloatwares or no extra applications. Yeah, let's start with opening the system dialer in 3, 2 and 1. I think the Redmi Note 5 Pro was a little bit faster here. Yeah, you are the one to decide. Let me know in the below comment section if I am wrong. Now let's open the messenger in 3, 2 and 1. So the Redmi Note 5 Pro wins again. The animations are quite faster in the MIUI 9. Now let's open the camera. Okay, so both were exactly similar, no difference at all. Let's open settings in 3, 2 and 1. Redmi Note 5 Pro faster thanks to the fast animations of the MIUI 9. And now let's open few third-party applications and games. Let's start with opening the social applications like WhatsApp in 3, 2, 1. I think both were same guys, but the Redmi Note 5 Pro feels a little bit faster here again. Now let's open the Facebook in 3, 2 and 1. So the Note 5 Pro wins again while the Mi A1 is taking time, and there we go. Let's open Instagram. Both were same, no difference at all. Snapchat. So Mi A1 wins here, and this is the first time Mi A1 actually won. Now Snapseed. Okay, so the Mi A1 was a little bit faster here. Now let's open few games. There we will see the main speed test. Let's start with our favorite Subway Surfers in 3, 2 and 1. So the Redmi Note 5 Pro wins again while the Mi A1 is still loading that game. Let's open Fruit Ninja in 3, 2 and 1. So both of them are loading the game, and the winner is, I think, the Redmi Note 5 Pro again. Here we go. The Note 5 Pro won again while the Mi A1 is still loading this game. Yeah, moving on, let's do the RAM management test of both of these smartphones. Let's see if any smartphone has refreshed any applications or not. Yeah, let's open the Facebook. Both are there. Subway Surfers, Snapchat, WhatsApp, settings, camera, contacts. Alright, so both of them are amazing smartphones guys. There's no application which has been refreshed in any of them. And in terms of speed test, the Redmi Note 5 Pro is the clear winner thanks to the Snapdragon 636 processor, which is way faster than the Snapdragon 625. And it's not a shocker at all. The Mi A1 is not a loser, but it was expected guys. Yeah, few of you guys were asking to do the fingerprint speed test also, so here we go. In 3, 2, 1. The Mi A1 slower again. The Mi A1 slow. The Redmi Note 5 Pro is way faster here. So yeah, the Mi A1 is pretty slow in opening the phone via fingerprint sensor. And thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and peace out.